Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel and watching my video. Today I'm going to tell you about my addiction. About a year ago I tried something. I've been addicted to it ever since, and it's yum yum sauce. If you've never had it, it's really good. It's kind of like the shrimp sauce they serve at Japanese restaurants, but it's a mayonnaise based sauce, but it is so good. You buy it at Walmart in the jar, and then I discovered you can buy it in the big jar at Sam's multi-pack. It's on. I eat it on rice, fries, sandwiches, anything I can put yum yum sauce on is where it's going to go. So I was in a crisis one day. I was out of yum yum sauce, looked up some restaurant recipes online, found one that was pretty close, did a little tweaking. So this is the recipe I found and figured out for yum yum sauce. But I'm going to call it yum sauce. Thanks. So easy to do. You are going to take 1 cup of the mayonnaise. I don't use salad dressing, I use mayonnaise. We grew up on Crafts, but I've actually discovered the Walmart brand is pretty good. It's a lot cheaper too. So 1 cup of mayonnaise, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. One tablespoon of melted butter. That's 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. And 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And I will store that in a airtight Tupperware container. Now you do want to let that set for a little bit to kind of let the flavors meld together. And that's it, yum yum sauce or yum sauce.